Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in our last tutorial we talked about how to find minimum highest and minimum salary from a table using method 1, which is using subquery method. So in this tutorial we'll talk about other two methods, which is using analytical functions row number, rank and dense rank. So query is going to be similar for all three functions, the row number, rank and dense rank. So what these are going to do, these functions will will assign a rank to each row starting from 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, then using that rank function I can just put it in where condition that where is this, that particular rank equal to 3, so that I can find the third maximum salary or third minimum salary. Likewise, I can use the rank as 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to find the nth highest and minimum salary from a table. So let's see how this is going to work practically. We'll write a query and then we'll explain that how this is working. So in this example, I will make use of a same table. So let me start from employee table. So this is what we have in my table. And these are the records. I have made it ascending in ascending of salary column. Okay, so first of all, if I want to assign rank to these records, so what will be my query? Select, so I'm just selecting three columns: id, name, comma salary. Now I will just make use of row number column. So first of all, I will be writing this query to find out the maximum salary, and maximum salary. Okay, so now I'll be using row number, which is going to assign rank to all the rows starting from 1 until the total number of records in my table. Over, then in which column I want to order. Okay, so if I will sort this salary column in descending order, then the rank will get assigned as the maximum salary will have the rank as 1, and the second maximum salary will have rank as 2 and so on. Okay, so order over order by salary and in descending order. Okay, so I will just give it as a name as rank from my table. So let's just try to execute this and check what we have in this rank column. So if you see, it has assigned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the maximum salary is having the 104 ID is having the maximum salary is having rank as 1. 106 is having second max salary is having rank as 2. In a similar way, if I want to get the minimum salary, nth minimum salary, so I want to get the rank first. Okay, so instead of using the salary in descending order, I will just use it as ascending order. In that way, I'll find the rank wise distribution of records uh, for minimum salary. So okay, just copy it and just change this. So just remove this descending order. So by default it will be in ascending order. So now the rank will be assigned in ascending order of salary. So if you see, so this is the 101 is ID is having the minimum salary is having rank as 1. Okay, so now for to find nth maximum salary, what would be my rank? So if I want to find the first maximum salary, the rank would be 1. Okay, so I will just use this query as a subquery. So select everything from employee table, not employee table. So select everything from this table. So this query will become my from clause. Okay, so select everything from this table, not everything. I don't want rank in my outer query, so I will just select ID, name and salary. From this, now I can use in my outer query, I can make use of this rank function where rn equal to, so if I want to find the first max salary, I will use rn equal to 1. This is going to return me the first max salary. Okay, so in a similar way, if I want to find the second max salary, I'll just use rn as 2. For third max salary, I will use RN as 3. Okay, so in a similar way for minimum salary, nth minimum salary, I'll just make use of the same query and we'll just remove this descending order clause. Everything else will be same. So this is going to return me the third employee who is having third minimum salary. So if you see 102 is having the third minimum salary here. In a similar way, I can find the nth record from an employee table who is having minimum and maximum salary from employee table. So this is how the row number function is going to work. Now let's just check that how a rank and dense rank function will work. So as we talked already that all of these functions are going to work in a similar way. So instead of just this row number function, you will just replace it with rank and dense rank. So let's see how this works practically. So this here I was using the row number. Instead of row number, I will just use rank. So this is going to assign a rank to each record starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so to find the third max salary using rank, just execute this. So this has returned me the third maximum salary. In a similar way, I can find the nth record who is having the second or third or fourth or fifth max salary. Okay, so for minimum for maximum salary, this was my query, and this was for minimum. Just replace it here as also. This was for minimum. Okay, so to find the minimum salary, I will just replace it with rank. So if you see, it has returned me the third minimum salary from a table using rank. So this is how my rank function is going to work. And for dense rank, I'll just replace this uh, rank with dense rank. So just copy this. Yeah, so instead of this rank, I will just make use of dense rank. So let's just try to execute this. This is going to give me the employee information who is having third maximum salary. And the next query is going to give me the employee information who is having third minimum salary. Okay, so this is how the dense rank analytical function is going to work. So the first one was for rank function, and this one was for dense rank. So these are the methods through which we can identify the nth highest and maximum salary from a table. So method one was to find the maximum salary and minimum salary from a table was using subquery, and the second method was using row number function, and the third method was using rank and dense rank. So you can make use of any of these methods to find out the nth maximum and minimum salary from a table. Okay, so thanks for watching my tutorial, and like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more updates.